Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Subaru Forester headlight. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new headlight bulb. Safety is key, so make sure your vehicle is turned off and disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts while you're working. Now, let's get to the headlight. Turn your front wheel inward to give yourself more room to work. You'll see several plastic clips and a few screws holding the fender liner. Carefully remove these using your screwdrivers. Once they are out, gently pull back the wheel well liner. This will reveal the back of the headlight assembly, giving you access to the bulb. With the assembly exposed, locate the bulb housing. It usually twists out counterclockwise. Once it's loose, carefully pull out the old bulb. Pay attention to how it's oriented so you can insert the new one correctly. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Gently push and twist the new bulb into place. Now, let's put everything back together. Twist the bulb housing clockwise until it's securely in place. Carefully reposition the wheel well liner, making sure all the clips and screws are reattached firmly. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your Subaru Forester headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.